Hi there. Today we are going to open and review Camel Artist watercolors, and right now actually we are having 5 ml tubes with 12 assorted shades. Camel is an Indian art material manufacturing company for many years. They make colors, writing implements and many other things. So now I'll just open and check the box. The branding and other product details are mentioned on the rear side. As you can see here we have 12 different shades. Now let me show you each color shades coming in this pack. This is Chinese white, ivory black, this is burnt sienna, and the lemon yellow, yellow ochre. Burnt sienna and yellow ochres are kind of earthy colors. This is gambosh yellow, kind of very vibrant yellow. The crimson lake, kind of dark red. The scarlet lake, kind of light red. And here we have the cool colors, Prussian blue, cobalt blue, and the green shades. This is viridian hue or kind of dark green, sap green. And all these shades are very basic and essential colors. And now we'll check each of these color pigments on paper. Watercolors are well known for its transparency and fluidity, and it's real fun to work with. And compared to the opaque mediums like oil colors or acrylic, these colors are a little more organic on paper, and that is because of its flowing capability on the paper. Now we'll check the burnt sienna shade and how it is coming on the paper. As you can see, the shades like burnt sienna and yellow ochre, those produce a kind of granulations on paper, and sometimes while painting it will be helpful. I mean, this granulation makes a feel of texture. And this crimson lake color not seems that much granulating, but it's very vibrant. The lemon yellow and gambosh yellow are making a very uniform kind of strokes. Camel is also having its student grade watercolors, which are not this much brighter. That might be because of its fillers used to make the colors more cheaper. And compared to that, artist grade watercolors are having very good pigments. For instance, we are just checking the color shades here. We're not going for a full-fledged painting session. So you can go through the previous videos in our channel to get an idea about the detailed usage of the colors. Now we'll check out the Chinese white and ivory black. I personally very rarely use the white or black directly. if I have to show some highlights, I just leave some paper white and I use 2 or 3 darker shades and mix together to serve the purpose of black. So in general, Camel artist grade watercolors are good and they are pretty vibrant on paper. Almost all shades are easily dissolving and the pigment quality, we can say like it's not out of the world, but it's good. And if you want to add on more than 12 shades to a color palette, they're offering a 24 shades pack. And other than these 5 ml tubes, Camel also produces 9 ml tubes and 20 ml tubes also. So if you regularly do paintings, maybe you can go for the bigger tubes or colors. Actually, they have the manufacturing of 48 pigments of watercolors in total, but most of those shades are not available in these packs. So if you further want to add on more colors, can go for 20 ml individual tubes. And you might know about the brands like Daniel Smith, Sennelier, Winsor & Newton. A lot of popular companies are out there in the international market making watercolors with very good pigments also. But the thing is, most of those colors are much more times costlier than these Camel colors. But we have the artist grade watercolors from Faber-Castell, which also lies in the same price range with 12 shades and 5 ml tubes. So if you want to go for an alternate, it will be a good choice. So in a brief, Camel watercolors are actually a very good choice for beginners as well as artists because they come really very well on the paper and we have a lot of color choices to choose there. And if you're looking for a watercolor set with almost all essential colors with a small budget range, this will be a perfect choice and real value for money. So now you can share your own reviews and choice of watercolors in the comment box. If you have some doubts, put it on the comments. And so that's it. Thank you for watching.